Okay, so I think you just kind of peel. Or do you eat that as well? Do you eat this? I don't think you eat that. How do I get you out? Oh yeah, you eat it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That was really violent. We're doing another taste test as per your requests. If you notice that something is different, the setting, not me, I'm the same. Well, I'm not, no one is ever really, that doesn't matter. If you notice that the settings are different, that's because I am currently in Australia. For those of you who don't know, I am from Australia. I haven't been back here for like 2 or 3 years. Brisbane has changed so much. The food culture here is insane, I'm told. Not as big as other parts in Australia, but growing. Anyway, I'm here with a taste test with Tokyo Treat. These guys contacted me a couple of weeks ago. This has been like the dream for me, getting contacted by snack companies for taste tests. It is a premium box. They have different types of boxes and they basically sell unique Japanese snacks online that you can buy from anywhere in the world. I had like a really quick squiz to see what was inside, but I mainly wanted to leave it as a surprise so that it's more authentic when I'm doing it for you guys. I'll leave all the details in the description box. Yeah, this is going to be an honest taste test. I've had breakfast. It's 2 o'clock and I had breakfast at like, it doesn't matter. I'm not gonna, it may have been like an hour ago. Okay, so we have a combination of sweet and savory snacks. We have Kit Kats. I don't know what these are. We have a drink. Interesting. And chips. And more chips and these things. So I'm gonna get everything out of the box so you guys can, so you guys can see what's going on here. I hope I'm not creating too much of a mess. There's some really interesting stuff and I don't have scissors with me. There's this one particular snack. We actually have to do something so it becomes a snack. This is just powder for the moment, but from what I'm reading here, I have to pour the powder into like a tray, which I think comes with this. Then mix it with some water, and then once it becomes like creamy or sticky, I put it into the cone. So it's like ice cream, but not iced. So cream in a cone. Interesting. I will leave that one for last, I think. Okay, what should I try first? I'm not going to try the drink first. I have some water here with me. With my Filipino bamboy straw. I think I want to try this. I'm a pretty big fan of Kit Kats. And I've seen some really wild flavors around the world. But I haven't tried them all. I'm such a sucker for cute packaging. How adorable is this? This is the type of stuff you find in my bags, by the way. In all of my bags. Okay. By the way, this is not sponsored. Oh. That is so cute. So this is peach mint. It smells really strange. Let's see if it snaps. It does not snap because it's too warm. It's winter in Australia, by the way, and today's about like, I don't know, 28 degrees. No, not really, 27 maybe. This is so strange. So the first thing that hits you is, like, I'm really hoping the camera's gonna be able to focus on this and try and hide. So the outer layer, I think like yogurt and peach cream, and then the inside is the mint. So first you taste the peach, and then the mint, and it's like peach iced tea with mint, with like mint leaves. The mint isn't very strong. It's really strange, but I dig it. This is one of those things where you try it and you're like, yeah, I don't know. And then you keep chewing it and you're like, I think this might be my favorite snack. What I like about it is oftentimes when I have something milky or chocolatey, it leaves a really weird aftertaste, but this one's very floral and minty. We're off to a good start. This would be a 8 out of 10. I wish there was like a more of a method to what I'm doing. I don't even know like what's sweet and what's salty. I'm just gonna be stabbing in the dark. This one looks like it's gonna be salty. I was about to say, it looks like it's noodles, but I think it's not noodles. Okay, let's try this because I'm touching it. No. It kind of tastes like ramen a little bit, but also not really. I think I'm trying to assign a flavor to it because I can't figure out what it is. It's just like a slightly soy sauce, garlic, seafoody, slightly sweet, tangy type taste. I think I just described all the flavors. It's nice though. This is one of those things where it's kind of like twisties. You just take a couple of bites and it just gets stuck to your teeth. But I'm digging the flavor. I'm gonna give this an 8.5. Texas corn. Yeah, 8.5. That was good. Let's do something sweet again. What's this one? What's this? Okay, let's try this one. This is like a famous cartoon character, I think. What is this? It smells salty, like tangy. It smells how this tastes. So I have never seen something like this. I have no idea what that is. It's definitely savory. It's really tangy. Like this brown powder is really tangy and a little bit spicy. And then this is very much like I'm eating like a crab stick or a seafood stick. And it's like the same texture as this. It's made from corn, I'm pretty sure. They're very similar. This one tastes a little bit more seafoody. Got a stronger flavor than this. I'll give this a 7.5. Are these just gummies? These are gonna be great gummies, I think. Wow, I can smell it from here. That is so intense. Oh my gosh. It smells like really strong grape. Oh man. Okay, so I think you just kind of peel. Or do you eat that as well? Do you eat this? I don't think you eat that. How do I get you out? Oh yeah, you eat it. We should have like a video series where I try plastic and I'm like, can this be eaten? I just don't know how to get it out. How do you get it out? You just push it out? It's gonna deform. Okay, and so what do you just... I promise you this is edible, okay? Just trust me, it's rice paper, I'm pretty sure. Because it dissolves in the mouth. I ain't lying. So that's like a little teddy bear. So the taste definitely isn't as strong as the smell, but the more you chew it, the more flavor comes out of it. I think I want one more. I think I really like this. I really like grape flavor. This looks like a, I don't know, a mushroom head. It's so weird. Initially at first it has absolutely no taste. And it's nice and chewy. It's not too sweet. A little bit sour. This is so weird. It's like a business card a little bit. Oh my god. Edible business cards. Then everyone's going to touch them. I don't know. I'm going to give this a 9.5. I want to finish them all, but I also want to save some for later. Soda chewing candy. Chewing candy. Candy means... Let's try it. Soda chewing candy. I really hope this is not gum. That's really soft. Oh, it's so sour. I was not expecting that. It's got a hole in it. This is kind of like sherbet. It's so weird. It's like really... I'm pretty sure you heard that. Welcome to Brisbane. I'm right next to the highway. Not the highway, but like a massive road, so... It's just so strange that it's a little bit musky, it's a little bit sour, it's not that sweet. It's very like bicarb soda type taste feel. I'm gonna give this a 7. There's something about chewing it. It's kind of like chewing on chalk. So good. Let's do this one. There's nothing in English here, so I don't know. It looks like toasted bread, right? Like, if you put it on a Caesar salad, those toasted bread bits. Croutons. And it looks like croutons. Literally a buttered, sugary crouton. A little bit of salt. The butter flavor is really good. 9.5. Let's try this now. Excuse me. I reckon this is probably made from corn. Maybe cheesy. Or maybe barbecue. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is adorable. How cute is that? They're so tiny. One of the pictures has this guy having it on his finger. Who is that small to fit this on their finger? After having that, I think I want to have some of this. Oh, I didn't even tell you what this tastes like. Like really, really, really mild soy sauce. It doesn't have a strong flavor. Okay, so this, I don't know what this is. It could be, so I was about to say it could be anything, but it literally says melon flavor. I've never heard of this brand. I haven't heard of any of these brands except Kit Kat and Doritos. Obvs. I wonder if it is fizzy. Oh no. Look at how green that is. I don't really drink soft drinks, as you probably have noticed with all my previous taste tests. I'm usually drinking water. I do like soft drink quite a lot. I just don't drink it. This is very unique in that it tastes exactly like a green melon, but it's fizzy. Not very sweet. I'm gonna give this a 9 in the summer with ice. or cold. Brilliant. Now, do I just literally, is this for a drink or this guy's, oh, I understand. This is a lollipop. I'm pretty sure it is, yep. And that's basically, I think, sherbet or icing sugar. It smells like bubblegum. So this is just sweet and very neutral taste. It doesn't really have any taste. Maybe very slightly like lemonade flavor, but not really. Let's try it with the sherbet. The sherbet is sour. The sherbet makes it, ooh, that's actually really good. I really like that. The child inside me, as in me, I'm not pregnant, I'm the child, is like in heaven right now. That's so good. It's the perfect amount of sour. 10. What next? What's this? I don't know what, am I gonna have to cook this? No, I'm not. Is this what I think it is? Does that not look like, what are they called? I forgot. That looks nothing like it. It's a much bigger version. It's basically like a breadstick covered in chocolate, I think. I think it's meant to look like a baseball bat. Cheers, big ears. This is so weird. The center is like really, really old bread. That's dark chocolate, not very sweet. And a very thin layer. I don't know if you can see. Look at how thin the layer of chocolate is. Although the flavors aren't bad, the texture is really weird. It's literally like really old bread. The flavor isn't that strong. The chocolate is not bad. Considering how thin of a layer that is, that's actually quite strong flavored chocolate actually. This is probably going to be good with tea. It's a bit too dry to eat by itself. I'll give this a 5. I was really expecting like a crispy something that would snap. So let's try this. I think it's like ice cream flavor, mint, chocolate mint candy. This is so cute. It smells like very mild chocolate mint. But the taste is not mild. Are you one of those people who can suck on candy for ages without biting into it? I have my days. At the moment, for the sake of this video, I feel like I need to bite into it, otherwise we'll be here for ages. There's something inside it. There's like a hit of mint. I'm gonna give this a 10. Actually, I think I want to do this now. This is a thing where you mix it with a bit of water, add the seasoning, mix it with water, enjoying the cone. I've never done anything like this. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. It's adorable. Do I get something to mix it with? All your utensils are here. So imagine I put this in this. Okay, I'm gonna put these tiny cones back in here for a moment. And because it doesn't say how much water, I'm gonna have to put a little bit. So I'm gonna put this. That's so weird looking. Look at it. Tiny little balls of things. That's so weird. Less is more, right? Should I just do it this way? Yeah, let's do it that way. Let's see if that's enough. might have been enough, actually. Whoops. That might have been too much. Let's see. I don't know whether I should tell you what that smells like. It smells like cleaning agent. Minty and lemony and really fresh. So I'm gonna get this guy because it looks beautiful. Should we make it look like an ice cream? Like a melted ice cream or? That's as good as it's gonna get. I could just sit and like marvel at this. Will it fall? Yep, it could. Alright. It tastes like sherbet. It doesn't taste like vanilla at all. It's sour, it's hardly sweet. It's like that sharp, sour sherbet taste. That bicarb soda. The more I chew it, the bigger it was getting in my mouth. This is actually incredibly cool. Taste-wise, it's interesting. It's not like the best thing I've ever had. These beat that. But because this is so cool, you make it yourself. And it looks like ice cream and these things are tiny. I'm gonna give this a 9.5. I'm really impressed with this. This was really fun. I wish I had more of these. This is how much I pay attention. I got so into eating these, you switched off and I didn't even notice. And I'm pretty sure you switched off before I even took a bite on camera. Sour cream and chives, really, really, really strong flavor. I initially gave it a 10, but I'm gonna give it a 9.5 because the flavor is too strong for me. But if you love sour cream and chives, you need this in your life. 9.5. I think it's the last one. Everything else I have tried. Super sour flavor in 3 peach. Super sour flavor in 3 peach bubblegum. I don't understand. I'm about to. 3. So super sour. I like sour things, but I like to know that it's sour before I try it. As I guess everybody does. This is so cute. Adorbs. Absolutely adorbs. It's not super sour. It's really soft. Also tastes like sherbet, like strawberry sherbet. And I guess a little minty. Yeah, that's not bad. It's really soft bubblegum. I like mint gum, but there's nothing wrong with this. I can't believe how soft it is. I'm gonna give it this an 8 out of 10. That's it, guys. If you would like to try any of these snacks that I have tried, head into my description. I'm gonna have all the links there. This is such a great idea for someone who likes snacks as a present. For me, if any of my friends are watching, this is the type of present I like. Snack boxes. I think they're just brilliant. And they're definitely things that you have probably never tried before. So, highly recommend it. Overall, very, very happy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any suggestions for videos you want to see, please let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification button. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!